This protocol combines qualitative and quantitative approach to examine accurately participants' experience during the 3-year social stress test and the TSST for groups. This mixed methods shows the added value of using the enactive phenomenological approach to analyze experimental protocols more deeply.
To begin, instruct the participant to tilt their head forward, allow saliva to pool in their mouth, and release the saliva into a small tube. Then, freeze the tube immediately at -20 degrees Celsius. After this, measure the participant's anxiety with a state trait anxiety inventory questionnaire. Then, measure the participant's emotional state with the self-assessment mannequin questionnaire. After bringing the participant to the TSST room and explaining their actions will be filmed, ask the participant to imagine a job of their choice. After 3 minutes of preparation time, give the participant 5 minutes in front of a committee to explain why they are the best candidate for the job. If the participant stops talking during this time, remind them that they still have time remaining. If the participant stops talking for a second time, remain silent for 20 seconds. Then, ask some standardized job interview questions if the participant does not resume speaking. Begin the mental arithmetic task by instructing the participant to count backwards from 2000.